Hi everybody, this is Douglas from Carissa and Douglas Properties, and we are so excited to share with you a little slice of life on Golden Hill today, because we have some great news. This historical treasure, also known as the Charles Olmstead House, has had only 3 owners over the past 90 years. Well, after going on the market last week, and for less than a week, Golden Hill received multiple very acceptable offers and is soon to be gracefully and gratefully passed on to its new rightful owners. Now, with almost 70 people attending our one and only open house event at Golden Hill, Carissa and I heard many similarly awe-inspired questions regarding the build and design, and even more importantly, the builder and the designer. And as much as you deserve to know, they deserve to be recognized. Julie Ann Cromwell and Country Club Homes. These people will truly care about your project, and most of all, they will truly care about you. It doesn't matter if you've been called to create your new home from the ground up, or inspired to renew, refresh, and revisit the space in which you currently reside. Making every home beautiful is a passion for home stylist Julie Ann Cromwell, who can help you with everything from interior design, project consulting, personal shopping, or providing those unique finishing touches which make a house your home. Give her a call and you'll soon see that Julie Ann provides impeccable style with a genuine smile. With regard to renovation, building, and design, Country Club Homes offers award-winning custom craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. As luxury home builders with over 30 years of fine home building experience, Country Club Homes provides the knowledge and talent to guide you each and every step of the way. And if you want your house to shine, or you need your house to sell, contact us, Carissa and Douglas Properties. We love what we do, and we'd love to help you. Hope to hear from you soon.